Hi, it's Professor Stevens here, and I wanted to welcome you to CIS 105. This is going to be a fantastic quarter, and I'm extremely excited to be here to support you and your learning and growth in CIS 105. We're going to learn about the internet, safe browsing. We're going to learn about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. We have 11 weeks, and we're going to cover a lot of material to include the test out labs. I want to encourage you now to be prepared and ready to purchase the test out key or activation code so that as you go through this class, you will learn and participate in the labs every week, and that is going to strengthen your Microsoft skills and make it so that you are comfortable and confident with the skills that you're learning in this class. So you have lots of resources. You have the Strayer Library, you have Strayer Resources, you have tutoring, you have me, your professor, and you have the test out labs. We're all here to support your learning and growth, and we are encouraging you and supporting you in this journey. Welcome to CIS 105. I'm Professor Stevens, and I am happy and excited to be here. Congratulations on taking one of the first steps in becoming a digital citizen. Thank you. Welcome to CIS 105.